You're welcome. This is Why Past Question Literature in English 2018. Question number 2. A short account of an interesting event is dash. A. Tale. B. Anecdote. C. An episode. D. A story. The correct answer here is B. An antidote. An antidote simply means a story that quickens or provoke laughter. But although an antidote is different from what we call farce, because farce is related to drama and farce provoke excessive laughter. But any story or any account, short story, please bear it in mind, short story that is of interesting event is called an anecdote. Thank you. Kindly continue to subscribe to our YouTube. God bless you.